My name's Hannah Wiggins and I'm controlling £6 million worth of property, mainly service accommodation units and buy-to-let portfolio.
Great. And how long have you been doing that?
Around 18 months now.
Sure. Tell me about that journey and how that went.
So I was already a buy-to-let landlord previously to joining the Samuel Leeds Academy, and once I joined the Samuel Leeds Academy, I went from 3 properties to 14 properties, obviously a value of £6 million now, and I mainly do sort of mid to long-term stays in service accommodation for insurance stays, contractors and relocation.
Great. And how's the academy and the sort of Samuel Leeds helped in that journey?
Yeah, they've been really, I mean, the help's invaluable, really. I mean, I could never have got to where I am now without the support of the mentors or the community, really. I actually run the inner circles in Birmingham, so the networking events, and that's kind of opened a lot of avenues to sort of joint ventures. I've found a business partner through the academy who I've got 4 service accommodation units with. And realistically, I would never have met those people and had the confidence to sort of engage in that kind of business venture, which has obviously created more opportunities along the lines. Now we're actually negotiating a purchase lease option on a 5-bedroom house that's worth £740,000, and I would never have been able to do that without the academy.
And how's that changed your life?
I'm now financially free through property. I get to spend every day with my 2 sons, and I don't really have to work all hours of every day. I work about 2 hours a day on my business, and I'm actually outsourcing that now to a virtual assistant. So that will kind of free me up to then start building the wealth and sort of the property portfolio behind with the cash flow that I've now got.
Great. And what would you say to someone who's looking to get into it?
I would say absolutely do it. It can absolutely change your life. If you've got the right mindset and you've got the right education, anything is possible, and you'll be able to achieve greatness and financial freedom through property.
Would you say this is a good place to kind of take this first step?
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, you mean the 4-day event? Yeah, absolutely. This is where it starts with some people. For myself, it was the £1 crash course. I joined the academy off the back of that, and now, honestly, I wouldn't be without this community. I thrive off it. It's a really great energy, and I look forward to the dinners and the events every single month.